How to use Allianz Disability Insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in Finland is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. However, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or even risk claim denial. Most people assume all disabilities are automatically covered, but the surprising truth is they're not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. Allianz offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong option can leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current job. Ignoring the waiting period is another trap. This is the time between when a disability occurs and when benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Choose a period that aligns with your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating benefit amounts is another frequent error. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Allianz offers add-ons like partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Allianz requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance Finland can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.